I'm Chris with Team Bob's Heating and Cooling, giving you 5 tips as the reason why furnaces fail in the wintertime. Tip number 1, we want you to check the thermostat. Is it on? Are the batteries good in it? Is it set to heat mode? And if it is set to heat mode, is the temperature you're calling for set higher than the temperature the room actually is? Thing number 2 that we want to check is, do we have power to the furnace? We want to check your breaker, we want to check the little light switch on the side of your furnace and just make sure that they're on and the furnace is getting power like it should. The third thing we're going to want to look at is whether or not we've got a clean air filter. A dirty air filter will cause the furnace not to breathe, and just like you or I, we need to be able to breathe. Tip number 4 is blocked venting. Some houses have venting up on the roof, some have it on the side of the house. If snow covers that venting, the furnace can't breathe, and it's going to shut itself down for safety reasons. Tip number 5 on this one is going to be our igniter or our pilot light. Most furnaces these days have an igniter. Some have a pilot light still, but it's kind of uncommon. When your furnace is running, look in the little peep window and see if you see an orange glow. If you do, your igniter is not the problem, and you should give us a call to come over and help with any furnace need that you may have. Thank you.